Now here's something that's a little unique. We have our jack stands that are down underneath of the RV, and they're auto leveling, so we use them a lot. But what I'd like to show you is how we stabilize the back of our RV with a cool little gadget. So this right here from MORryde is a cool stabilizing gadget, and it basically hooks into your hitch, and then you extend the legs down, and then you use this piece right here to hold the legs in place. And basically when you do that, you basically are stabilizing this back. So what you get is you get nothing really moving on this at all. So the back of the RV doesn't really move. Cool little gadget from MORryde. Hooks right into the back of your hitch and helps you to stabilize your RV. So this is a pretty cool setup from MORryde, and if you're interested in it, it's pretty reasonable and it really helps to stabilize the back of our RV. If you liked this video, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our how-to videos.
Thanks for watching. God bless and safe travels.